Hey guys, today we're gonna have dumpling and Ash is not here just because we get home. Hindi namin yun kapatid, di ba? Tsaka si Bella din, syempre. Chicken nuggets. Stop. Nanood siya ato, pang kids. So ato, meron tayong dumpling. I think we're gonna get pink. That's my favorite color. Me too. Gusto ko yung pink. Ito ko guys, tutulong ko na kain. Kada yung pink or secret sa akin? Oh. Uy, Bella, kung... There's no things on this. Oh, I still like it. I love it. Wala, kay ate. Sticky. Haya! Haya! Sticky. Ano pengi? Baro. Ano yun? Pengi. Yup, just ganyan. Ayaw, wag mo yan kakagatin na. Bye! Dumpling.